Hey, Orion, morning.
Morning, sir.
You already waiting a long time?
Not really, sir.
Okay. Um, so first things out. So I had a conversation not too long ago with Mr. Ruford, and then I got distracted and never recognized the time. You have work for him, right?
Yes, sir.
Please to make sure you submit it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I submit it today.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. All right. So, um, Kendra sent me a WhatsApp message to say that she has dropped the course. So it's just you and Julie. So, uh, 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 um, 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9. All right. So what is going to happen? What is going to happen is uh all right. So what we're going to be doing, we did the you finish your homework.
Repeat that, sir.
You finish your homework question on the summation.
Yes, sir.
What you got for your answer?
Sir, speaking of which, sir, you didn't send the thing in the group, you know, sir.
Uh, anyway, send the notes in the group.
No, you didn't, sir.
Oh Lord. And that was on sequence and series sound.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting message, man. There's so many things that what time I went to bed this morning?
I need to
About
stop staying up so late, you know, sir. I start going to my bed early now, you know, sir. Like, you take over my whole going to bed late thing.
listen to me. I'm up from about I think I went to bed at about 4 o'clock this morning. Up doing stuff. It's rough. All right, so all right. Tell me an answer for that one. I give it. I think was it two that I give you for homework.
Yes, sir.
The 5x over the x plus 1. What answer is that there?
Repeat that, sir.
The summation from 1 to 4 of 5x over x plus 1. What is the answer?
5x to the what?
5x over x plus 1.
Sir. Something completely different, sir.
There you have.
I have it from -1 to 3, sir. Maybe we need to mix it up.
Hello, you're going to my question now, You did the other
Sir,
one? You did the other one? Maybe that's why you were taking so long to do the stuff. You did the
oh,
other one? The x cubed minus 5x squared?
sir, I did that one here for the 5 ones.
Hmm?
I did that one for the 5 ones, sir.
5 1?
Yeah, for the
Listen to
1
me.
to 4, I did that one for it.
Listen to me. You read my questions now. The one, it's the summation.
Sir.
One,
So the 1 to
starting point
4
at
is
1
the
to 4,
5x plus 1.
5x over x plus 1.
Yes, sir. And the 3 and the minus 1 to 3 is what again, sir?
No, we did that one. We did that the first one. The minus 1 to 3 was the x squared minus 1. That's the first one we
Oh,
did.
okay, okay. I already did that one, sir. That one was the
Right.
5.
No, that was 10.
The the minus 1 to 3.
Mm-hmm. Of x squared minus 1 is 10.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And the minus 1, yes, that one's 10. And the minus
And
2, minus 1 to 2 was
it's
5.
5. Mm-hmm. And then now I want to do this one. The x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x plus 7.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Repeat that, sir. Slow down, sir.
X cubed. X cubed
Yes, sir.
minus 5x squared
Yes, sir.
plus 6x plus 7. And we're starting from 2 to 3. So starting at 2, ending at 3 of x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x
Plus
plus 7.
Yes, sir. I got the 14. Sir,
Yes, Papa.
I got the 14 for that one, sir.
But, like you're about coming.
No, no, but sir.
Okay, just checking. I thought I heard about coming, sir. I got the 14 for number three. However, sir, number two, I'm not seeing that.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
Hello, hello, hello. Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I don't
Hello?
understand what to do. Cause look at an example two, and I don't understand what to do number one.
Alright, so what it is that we're doing here, let me just stop share and then reshare to get rid of that thing. What we're doing is uh so where were you the last class? Julie?
Yes, sir.
Where were you the last class?
So I have to go to the school to start with some urgent matters up there, sir.
No, but you're not doing it last time only because you're missing class. Why never do it afterwards or while you're at school you use a Wi-Fi and connect to the class while you're doing the matters? You can't miss class, mommy. You have to multitask so it is that you don't miss out. All right. So what we're looking at is the summation notation. The summation notation, and the summation notation is saying that it looks like that funny looking E. It's not an E, but it just looks like that funny looking E. At the bottom is our start point. At the top is our end point. And inside here is your function. And inside here is your function. Inside here is your function. So look at example one. My nephew has joined. Come in. My nephew has joined the class. Tajay.
Yes, I'm here.
Say good morning to the other students, please.
Good morning, people. Good morning, students.
Uh, give me a minute, please, guys. Come in, Julie. Just continue looking at what I showed you a while ago, Julia. Give me a minute, please. All right. So look at summation notation. The summation notation says, as it suggests, summation. It suggests that you are adding. It suggests that you are adding. So it's that funny looking E. At the bottom, you're going to have your start point. At the top, you're going to have your end point. And in front of the summation notation, you're going to have your function. Now, as you can see in example 1 and in example 2, that the summation notation, the function changes. The function changes. So does your start point and also your end point. All right, so let's look at example 1. Example 1 says the summation starting from 2 to 5 of the function 2x squared plus 5. It means then that I am going to be substituting my 2 into the function when I would have looked at my variable, and in this case, the variable is 2. Let me write this another way. Let me write this another way to show you something. All right, so I've just changed something a while ago by putting x equals 2. You notice I had 2 alone here, like I have -1 alone down here. So when I have this x equals 2, it tells me that my function is in x. I don't have to have the x here, but this tells me that my function is in x. So I'm starting from x equals 2, and I'm going all the way up to x equals 5. Now, recall your number line after 2. I'm talking about whole numbers. After
Okay.
2,
So we are elevated. Basically, the power are times by the start number.
I'm going to put the start number is the start number is going to be replaced by the variable. So the start number is 2. So I'm putting 2 here, 2 in here for the first piece. Then when I substitute the 2 in there, I'm moving on to the next number. After 2 comes 3. Then I'm substituting 3. When I finish the 3, then I'm going to substitute 4. When I finish the 4, then I'll substitute 5. And there, I end at 5, so I'm not going to go to 6. So anywhere, anywhere in the function,
So anywhere,
I see the variable. Anywhere I see the variable, say it. Julie, you're talking and stopping.
so when we start the function and stop, when we start to end from the funny little e, that's how we start to stop in the equation.
The substitution, yes. So you notice here is my start point. This is my start point, 2. Then I move to 3, then I move to 4, and then I end at 5. I'm not going to go any further. I'm going to end at 5. End at 5. So I want you to look at it, look through the Taji, also I want you to look through the rest of the question and see how it is that I would have done my calculation just to make sure that you're okay. This is not a difficult area. It's a by the way topic. You spend 2 minutes and you move on. So hurry up and look at that, and and we can talk more about the other stuff. I'm waiting on you, guys. I mean, I'm here in perfect silence. I'm actually waiting on you
Yeah, I
to let
finished
me
right
know.
that.
Huh?
I finished right it.
Okay, but are you seeing? Are you understanding what it is that you wrote?
Yes, I understand. Example 1.
Okay, don't worry about it. That's what I want you to understand. We don't reach 2 yet. So Charge, you understand 1? Example 1?
Yeah, yeah, I understand
Okay.
one so far. Yeah.
Okay, good. So let us move to example 2 now. Let us look at example 2. The function is different. The function is changing. Um, 2x over x minus 1. and I'm starting at -1, and I go all the way up to 2. Anywhere in the function I see x, and you notice as opposed to the first example where x only appeared once, in this here example, x is appearing 2 times.
2 times.
Right, so anywhere you see in the function x, you're going to be substituting your start point, which is -1. Having substituted that, then you're going to move on to the next point, which is 0. Then the next one, 1. Then the next one, 2. We don't go on to 3 because our endpoint is at 2.
2. Oh. Okay.
So you know where to start, you know where to end. You know where to start, you know where to end. Look at example 2, work it through and tell me to see what is happening.
Hey, can come with me?
Sir, I'll be right back. I will join on my computer instead of my phone.
Okay, no problem. Guys, if well, not guys, Jilly, if you finish looking at the stuff and understand it, let me know so I can move on. I have already done this last class with Orion, and he's understanding the stuff. Orion, did you get number 2?
No, you know, sir.
What do you know?
Where you get that 12 from, sir?
You don't know. I have no clue. I have no clue where I got that 12 from. Absolutely none. But I know. I think the answer is correct though. All right, let me do that as example 3. Mhm.
12, no.
Okay, so sorry. Come on, don't do this to me now. What of that? And then I can cut. No, but I didn't have the cut. Oh Lord, what is wrong with me? I can place it back here. And then I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 5 of them equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this our start point is at 1. And then we move on to 2. And then we move on to 3. Okay, can you see can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So we start at 1 and we end at 4. Can you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Six over 2, 7 over 3, 8 over 4, 9 over 5.
We get 6 over 2. 5 times 26?
Pardon, sir? Oh, 5
Yes.
times 1. Oh, God. So 5 over, yes, you are.
All right, and then now, and then we are going to go to five over 20 is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
And 15 over 5 is 3 and 3/4.
15, repeat that, sir?
15 over 4 is 3 and 3/4.
Yes, sir.
And 5 over 2 is 2.5.
Yes, sir.
And I'm only doing that because you don't have a calculator. So let us just add all the whole numbers. 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we have whole number 12. Then we're going to add a quarter, a third, and 3/4.
And
So,
always common multiple.
so you have 2/4 true or false?
True.
So what we have now is take out a quarter out of this, to add to this 3/4, so we end up with 13. Because remember we had 4 and 3, 7, and 3, 10, and 2, 12. Get that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, and then I take a quarter out of the half to add to this. I'm going to get 13. So I'm going to add now a quarter plus a third. And if this is 4 and this is 3, that's 12. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'm going to have 7 12. So 13 and 7 12.
Okay, okay, I see that now.
Julie, I'm not hearing from you. And it's soon time for you to go to chemistry class. Okay. Not hearing from Tajia, not hearing from Julie. Come, Orion, let's go. We have 3 minutes. Have you done the?
Yes, I'm just working out the answer.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm asking.
Mad.
I'm asking it. No, but I'm asking you a question, and you're not answering me. I'm saying that I'm not hearing from you, and I expect you to say something to me, but you chose to be silent, and that's not nice. All right, let me put. Let me give you another quick one. Another quick one. Undo, and then I'm gonna call this numero 3. I'm gonna ask you to. Okay, let me see what I can give to you now to to decombobulate you. I'm gonna give you a hard one. I'm gonna give you a hard one that can be done in 2 minutes.
What?
watch that. That's a hard one to be done in 2 minutes. It's not so hard either, so don't even think that it's I'm being truthful. That's really not hard. Let me go for my calculator. Oh,
Sir, 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 sir.
Sir.
Five.
Hello? Anybody get the answer yet? You know, hurry up in our
So
chemistry
me
class
get my
again.
answer.
Yes, sir. I got on 6, sir.
Five.
Yes, Julie? What is saying? Julie, you
So
sound
me
very.
get 28 to my answer.
You get 28? All right, what Julie saying
That
though?
me get sure. You get it
Oh,
right.
you got 28 to say for your answer. All right. Orion,
Yes,
what do you get
sir,
for
but
your
I don't
answer?
get it right.
For 3, right, sir?
For number 3, Julie?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you get, Orion?
I got
Tell me
6,
wrong.
sir.
You got 6. Charge, what you get?
So I'm actually just working out of it.
And all of them are wrong. And that mean get for my answer.
They
What
don't
you
for
get
the
for your answer, sir?
answer. Wait.
See it there?
Oh, wait, no. I messed up something. 1 second.
So
Yes, it's 5.
explain how you get the 5.
5. It's 5. It's 5. It's 5.
You, you,
It's
you,
5.
you, you get
Realize
the
I'm
5
the
now.
sure.
You get the 5 now, Julie?
No, sir.
Come, Julie, waiting on you. Quickly so you can get to go to the chem class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, never do it back over because me don't show me get number 5.
And a 5 you get, and a 28 you say get.
Yeah, but some don't know how you get 5 as your answer.
Okay, all right. You take your time and do it. Orion,
Yes, sir.
you can run go on. Since you get the 5, you can run go on over to the other class and come back.
Yes, sir.
And when Julie finishes this, she can come over. So tell me that she soon come.
Right, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, the two questions, please.
Do it again? You're still not getting it?
Sir, the two questions.
Huh?
Sir, you get no 4.
You get 4? All
Sir,
right.
four
What?
has my answer. Yes,
All
sir.
right. All right. Hold on. Hold on. We're starting with -1. Then we're moving on to, after -1 comes what?
0, sir.
All right, good. And after 0 comes?
1.
Good job. And after 1 comes?
2.
We have 2.
Good. And we're ending at 2. Agreed?
So stop at 2.
Very good. So I'm going to show you what I have so far. I'm going to show you what I have so far. Can you see what I have?
Yes, sir.
And then negative 1. What is -1 cube? What the answer is that? What is -1 cube?
1.
No, -1. -1 cube is -1. What is -1 squares? +1.
2, sir.
What is 0 cube is? All right. You sound very far, Taj. And 1 cube is?
Yeah.
1 cube is? Right. And 2 cubes is? What? It has to be a joke. 2 cubes equals?
32, sir.
2 cubes? Hey boy.
Sir, no, sir. But not even answer. I can't, man.
What is 2 cubes? Taj? 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to what? 8. Are you seeing what I have, Jilly?
It means 2 to the third power.
Right.
Oh, that's what
Yes,
I
sir.
mean.
All right. All right. So -1. -1 minus a half equals?
So negative a half.
What? No.
So what then? Half then? Half?
-3/2, -1.5.
Oh.
When I ask you. Check it. -1 minus a half. -1 minus a half. Tell me what you get. I get -3/2.
I don't know how you get that, sir. Me not, my teacher never teach me how to minus fraction when it's done.
Sir, me not understand that part, sir.
You don't understand it, Julie?
Negative number minus half fraction.
You don't
No,
understand it?
sir.
All right, hold on. You see why you're not supposed to go? You're not supposed to disappear on me, Julie. 4 into plus 2, that's means 6. All right, so let's go. What I'm saying to you here, which line? Are you understanding the second line? Or is it the third line that I'm supposed to go through?
Sir, just go to the part of the fraction part then, because we don't understand a negative take away a fraction.
All right, so minus 1, minus a half. When I'm adding and the signs are the same, I add the sign, I add the numbers and put back the sign. When I'm subtracting and the signs are the same, I'm going to add the numbers and then put back the sign. So I'm adding 2 negative numbers. So my answer is going to remain negative. And 1 is the same thing as 2 over 2. So since the denominators are the same, I'm going to add the numerators. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. And I put back the 2. So put in your calculators for me. Put in negative 1. Put in your calculators, negative 1. And then minus, open bracket, 1. Then again press the ABC button. Then 2. Then close bracket and equal. And see if you get negative 3 over 2. Are you seeing that? By the way, Jilly,
Yes, sir.
if you not start with the calculator yet, okay, we're supposed to touch base
Yes,
with me.
sir.
You get a calculator ready?
Yes, sir. You said negative 1, open bracket plus 1,
No. Negative 1,
right?
negative 1,
Oh,
open bracket, negative
yes,
1
sir.
minus, negative 1 minus, open bracket,
Negative 1 minus, open bracket 1.
1, and then we press the ABC button, and
AC.
then press 2,
Yeah.
and then close the bracket,
Mm-hmm.
and then press equal. Very good.
Sir, I ever come up on my
What
something
what
error.
what what are you using? Computer or calculator?
Sir, calculator.
All right, clear the calculator, please. Turn it off and then turn it on, please. Turn it off and then turn it on.
Okay, sir, just see. Sir, turn it back on. Okay, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
Yeah, what
I
you
turn it
getting
back
now?
on.
Say, Julie,
Sir,
what you
see
get?
error.
No, man. What kind of calculator are you using? No, you can't do that.
10 code.
A Kenko? Me tell you if you touch base with me, you can go back Kenko calculator. Anyhow,
Yeah.
let's go. Press for me. Stop. Come on. Press for me. Negative 1. Press negative 1. Minus. Matter of fact,
Yes,
maybe you don't
sir.
even know. Maybe you don't even know to press negative 1. You know. All right. Clear the calculator. Clear the calculator.
Sir, of course.
No,
Negative 1.
you get negative 1.
Yes, sir.
All right, and press minus now. Negative 1
Yes, sir.
minus,
Negative 1.
minus,
Yeah.
open bracket,
Open bracket 1.
1, and then you press the ABC button to the left,
ABC.
and then press 2, then you close the
2.
bracket,
Close bracket.
and then equal.
And then press equal. So, I mean, wrong answer is actually negative 1, 1, and 2. Sir, something
All
wrong
right, do
with
me
the
a favor.
calculator.
Don't change it. Press second function. Press second function or shift, and then press ABC again now.
She can press ABC. So, we get negative 3.
You
Over
get negative
2.
3 over 2. Look and see me up on the screen.
Yeah. Yeah, negative 3 over 2.
Yeah, so if you never understand that. All right, add
So
negative
there's
3 over
something
2
wrong
to,
with calculator.
and I'm going for my charger. Add negative 3 over 2 to a half and to 6, and then I come in. I'm going to go for my charger. All right. So what do you get for the answer when you do that now, Jelly? Jelly, what do you get for your answer now? When you add negative 3 over 2 to 0 to a half and to 6. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Taj, what do you get for the answer? What
Sir, for what, sir?
do you mean for what, Taj? Where's the head up on the board, boy? What is somebody on the board?
Sir, we get a 5.
Yeah?
Sir, I got 5.
Okay. And you are correct.
Sir, right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. You have two questions, Taj, to work for me. Question 1 and question 2.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I'm the number one already, sir. Did number one already.
Okay. And you got the answer?
Yes, sir. 10.
All right, fine. Move on to 2, please. Waiting on you here, Papa, so let me know.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Almost finished, sir. Yes, sir. When more get to, I get 14. Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Move on to the other one. Very nice. And make sure you understand what is. You don't know this topic in school yet?
What you said, sir?
Yeah. Have you done this topic in school already?
No, sir.
All right. So when you get this in school now, you know what to do because you are understanding. Very good. Continue working. 5 more minutes, and then I may just give you two more, and then just go through something else with you until the others come back. They go on to another class.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So, bum, bum, bum. Plus that's equal. Alright. So 9 replace the x. No, wait a minute. So 2 Then to the 2 contact 9, then the external 2, then minus 1, then the plus 3 squared plus 9 3 equals look at my sir, I get the answer. I think the answer is 49. Oh no. Sir, excuse me, sir. Oh no, what happened? Oh, any minute. Excuse me, sir. Let me check here one car. Man asked me to get done. 9 times 2 is 18. Yes. Minus 1, that's 17. Oh, that wrong. When I don't know. No. What am I doing? It's not minus, it's odd. No, 49 answer. What am I do? No, I got that. Oh, wait, sir. I'm gonna get answer it. 17 plus 4, 21 plus 2. Sir, the answer is 57.
57.
Yes, sir. That's what I got.
I'm going to check again.
Oh no, wrong. Oh, sir. Oh, I forget to put minus 1. Oh, sorry, sir. My bad. 56.
All right, good job. I'm going to give you two more. And I'm going to give you two fractional ones. I want to see how well they work the fractions, and then we can go through the other documents until they come back. They come back at 11. You are the ancient of days, and world of all things. Oh Lord, you are my faith through all generations. Oh, you are
Can listen.
Huh?
Where's the next question?
You ready for the next one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, go on. You say you're ready. So run it. Make sure you get it right at the first go, you know. Make sure you get it right at the first go.
Only get the one wrong first, so I can make one simple mistake.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. I don't want no simple mistake. I want the correct something.
You. Hmm? I do class after me do me wash your plate. Huh? Nothing, nothing there for them. Hmm? Ah, no after Mike. So that's minus 3. Oh, minus, no, minus 1. 3 minus 1 plus 4. 4 minus 5 plus 5. Now I'm put bracket car. When I put bracket and I go, thing I fly out to my head. 4 and the x. 4 minus 1. Bracket that. And go 5. Oh my god, that's so much working up, man. Oh my. Oh. Alright. Down to 5 plus 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1. We'll go plus again. We'll go 4 over 6 plus 5 minus 4 and 6 minus 1. Bracket that again. Multiple the muscle. Then I go break it again. Number itself of 4. 7 plus 5. A plus or minus? What is a minus? Right, so a plus. Yes, plus. Plus. So it's add between them. Add. No minus sign. Only adding. 4 over 7 minus 1. Just eat that. Then I go equal. No, pen. Nobody do this to me. It was difficult working out, man. Hey. Um,
No, you know, dog. Boy, I sir, just give me something, dog. I mean, I understand. No.
cause you're done.
Not that, brother.
Oh, then.
We sir, give something right for the first time. And you go sleep, when you click out, brother. I'm clicking back.
Because you're done. Alright. Yo, I calculate your fraction. Yo. Alright. 8 and 2. 8. 8 is 8. 1 times 3 over 8. 3 over 8 plus 28. 4 times 4. 4 is 16. 16 plus 3. 19. Plus 19 over 8. Please help me to get this wrong. I get it wrong, I'll kill somebody. Alright. 3 and 9. That's 9 answer. 9 into 9 one time, that's a 4. 3 into 3. 3 into 9. 3 times, that's a 12. 12 and 4. 16 over 9. Then plus, what is it again? Wait, what did you put the, 4 over 4 equals 1. Alright. Oh my god, so hard. We can't bother with that. 4 can go into 20. 5 times 4, 20. So 20 plus 8. 28 over 20. Oh my god, 11. I'm not taking 11. What the way 55 in that? Oh my god. 11 and 5. 55. 5 into, 5 into 11. 5 into 55 was 11 times. That's 44. I'm putting on my calculator, man. Alright, so that's 44. 44. 11 into 55 was 5 times. 20, that's 64. So that's 64 over 55. Oh my god, say denominator, I'm forgot big. What? So to God, I'm alone takes rank for the one problem. Alright, 6 and 12, that's 12. 6 into 12, 2 times, that's 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 8. Oh yeah, that's the answer, yes. I was wrong. She should have equal 2 and 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 times 8, 16. 16 I want to get 19. 3. So 8 and this should have be 3. Okay. So plus 9 times 2. 80. No, so 1 time. So 1 and 7 over 9. Yo, how this all work out, man? You can't believe this working out there, man. You should have one perfect calculator. 1 and 8 over 20. Damn. If I cancel them, if you talk about our problem, of course, you're not going to see an answer. Plus 1 alright. 64 minus 55. 9. It would have been 9 over 55. Plus 2 whatever this 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 4. That is 6. Big 6. How you make fractions now, from this? Alright. So you can't even make fractions from calculator. Have you make fractions? Boom, boom. Yeah, man.
Touch.
Oh, no road. Okay, so I said it.
I'm going to raise it.
I shut up, dog. That's so now. The birds sing. Keep my mic on, but I'm mere man alone in that class.
Shut up.
Sure. The one here puzzle me, my dog. Because the minute of them big. No, dog. No, I can't self do it. Need to work it. Times. Over 8 plus 7 over. Oh my, I forget the calculator will give me on that. My, I mean, excuse me. Oh, wait. Excuse me, sir. Sir. Mr. Shan. Oh, Mr. Is it Mr. Mr. Yeah, Mr. Shan. Mr. Shan. Sir. This is too hard, man. Imagine if they give me this one. Oh, man. Oh my god. So the denominator is big. I don't think we can even cancel them down. Nope. None of them can cancel. None of them. 9 cannot go into 55 without the remainder. Nope.
Finish now?
Alright.
Just take your time. Take your time, man. I hear you getting frustrated at different points, but just take your time.
The denominators are so big. Like, I forgot.
You have to learn to work with large fractions. That's just the reality of it. You have to learn to start working with large fractions. So just go ahead.
Alright, we can finish work it out. What am I doing? What am I do? What am I do? Oh, this is full screen. Okay. So now Alt A, I do. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Papa.
Can you start work it out yet, sir?
Huh?
You start work it out yet, sir?
I can tell you the answer. I don't work it on the system, but I can tell you the answer.
No, sir, I don't know what the answer is yet. I just wanted to see if I was on the right track.
Okay. Oh, Taj, come on, that is so easy. Look, number four works out perfectly. You hearing me?
Easy. Oh my God, if that's what you call easy, then
Hello, good day.
your definition of easy is different than my definition. Oh my God. All right, so you work out any part of it, sir? Because after me replace x with for put it with, me get 19 over 8 plus 16 over 9 plus 28 over 20 plus 64 over 55 plus 12 over 12. Then after me say equal 2 and 3 over 8 plus 1 and 7 over 9 plus 1 and 8 over 20 plus 1 and 9 over 55 plus 1. Oh, no, 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 no. All right. I forgot to ask Google something.
You get the answer, Notage?
No, sir. Just show the working out because
Okay, so I get zero. I get 0 for 4.
no,
Hmm?
show the working out. The working out.
I don't hear you.
Could you please show the working out, please? Because for it's big and when you add them, Jesus, you man, right?
Correct.
Bro.
But what has changed since is that the timeline has changed in terms of when the model is going to be ready. That is the change in this space. And it's still on.
So I know what your problem is in Notage. You and the fractions not working out well enough, and that's not good.
That's true, but
And it was also to ensure that there is alignment.
No, I'm working it as I speak to you, but I'm just saying to you, based on what I give you, I can tell you the problem is a fraction. So you know what.
Yeah, that works. Money.
All right, so you look at what I'm doing right here.
all right, sir. Me there about now, sir. Me just.
All right. Can you see what I have?
Oh yes, sir. That's exactly what I have so far.
All right. So we're gonna work it together and see how best we can reduce it.
Oh my God. No, me do wrong now. Get to X at the top. Oh no.
All right. So 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. And then now I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna paste this, and then I'm gonna say that's 3. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. My 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 minus 1 is 6. Alright, so that's what my one is reduced to. And we can look at that and then tell me. Look at that and tell me what is happening here. I'm gonna do something about you better make sure so you can do it on your own. 3 divided by 8 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 19 over 8. So we'll have 4 over 9 plus 4 over 3, 16 over 9. Again, 2 divided by 10 plus 4 over 4 6 over 5. And now it is 6 over 11 plus 4 over 5. 6 over 55. And then 7 over 12 plus 4 over 6 over 4. Alright, watch my screen please, this is what it is that I'm doing. Okay, the answer is not 0 again. 6 over 9 19 divided by 8 plus 16 divided by 9 plus 6 divided by 5 plus 27 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by
No, it's daily. No, man, it's daily. No, the model is refreshed. Right. It would be daily.
Yeah, so there's a daily refresh button. If you want to predict red car outside the gate every week.
Alright, can you see it now, Taj? That's what I'm getting, 8 and 1 over 316. Yes, the fractions are big, but you have to learn to work with fractions because those will just help you develop your computational skills and your algebraic skills. So you have to learn how to do those and know to use the LCM and also know how to use your calculators.
Okay, great.
Taj, what are you doing? Huh? No, but do you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. I made a mistake somewhere. Your Taj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have 5 and over 5 plus 5, supposed to be 5 over 10.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
What did I miss?
All right, so we're just doing some additional. All right, look at number 4. I put 2 more questions on it. Just look at, see if you can do 4 and 5 for me, please, and see if you both agree with what is happening there. I just made a mistake with something, so I'm correcting my mistake. The answer is not 8 and 1 over 360, so I'm correcting my error.
So 4 and 5, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I can barely see 5, sir.
No, don't worry. Just work with 4 first now. All right, so Jilly, start work with number 4, please. And Orion and Taj, you need to start working with number. Make the correction for 4, please, Taj. Activate an arrow. Let me just check. Just again. Oh no, something is not right again. All right, the 12 of you check that for me, please, because I just used a calculator a while ago and I'm getting a different answer. And I don't know why. Yeah, let me just double check. Hello, good day. You're here? Hello? Thanks.
Here.
Yes,
Sheldon.
Yeah, the lady outside to the something. Can I go there to her, please? Alitarin? To we look at for the estimate for the mole next door. She's outside.
sir. Sir. Hmm?
Because I'm supposed to be working, you know, I just hearing too much of a perfect silence in class.
I'm working, sir.
Okay. I want you to help me double check Jilly and around number 4. Because I'm doing a question over again and I'm getting every time I do it, I get a different answer. Oh my god. Why did I write this question?
Answer two, sir.
Hmm? What is that?
No, number 4 is wrong.
Yeah, number 4 is not correct, yeah.
Yes, sir, because
What you get for your answer?
sir, I don't know how I'm getting. I'm just not say wrong, sir, because 6 over 11 plus 4 over 5 does not give you 77 over 50.
It actually 6 5 30. 30 and 44 is 77. It does give you 77 over 55. 6 5 30 and 30 plus 44 is 77.
Alright. Alright. Find that. That.
Sir, say that again?
That may I say it again?
6 over 11 6 over 11 plus 4 over 5 is 77 over 55.
No,
Look up
No,
sir.
sir.
That may I say me
No,
no.
sir.
6
Sir,
over
check it,
11.
sir. Check it, sir.
Sir. No, sir. 11 times 4 is 44, sir. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 plus 30 equals 74, sir.
Exactly. Tell the man again, yeah, man. I said that wrong.
Sir.
Oh, it's 74, right?
Yes,
So
sir. It's
that's what I'm
74, not
saying. It's 70.
77.
Yeah, it's 74. You know, since you're me, I've been up since 4 o'clock. It's 74. But you see, I told you a while ago, 44 plus 30 is 77, right? So me bright. 44 plus 30 is 74. Don't you see 74 right there on the board, guys? Thanks.
Yes, sir. 74 is there.
Right, 74 is there, no, right? So I don't know why it's the squabble. Why you guys arguing? Thanks, though.
You just can't talk.
Thank you.
You're funny.
Thank you. 6 and 5 are 11, 4, and that's 5. 7 and 5. 7 and 5 is 12. 7 over 12. 4 over 6. So you have, well, it's 32, 32 over 25, 38 over, 38 over, 38 over 16. 38 is 19 over 8.
Sir, that
Mm.
half right here, so sir, something missing.
Mr. the
Sir,
half?
it's half, sir.
Yes, it's 3 over 2, don't?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the error. That is the error. Good, that's what I was looking for. 3 over 2. That's what. So I should get my answer now. Shift answer. All right, I should get my answer now. I should get my answer. 19 over 8 plus 16 over 9 plus 3 over 2
Yo,
plus 24 over 55.
When you
Yes, I am now correct to 8. 983. 3960. All right, look at that now. See if you can finish that. I think I'm comfortable now because that's what I was getting all along, but just couldn't pinpoint my answer from the stuff.
So I'm going to work out number 5.
No man, you can try and work out number 5 just like we work out number 4.
Yes, sir, but
Try man, try.
you got to
Mark, granted, hold up. I don't expect you to get. It's a question 4 and 5. Let me just put something right here because I don't expect you to get these. TRICKY. I don't expect you to get these questions. Um, they're tricky, but I'm giving you them because I want to see how best um you understand um
fractions.
your fractions. And some of you are being fooled by the fractions. Well, the teacher got fooled by the fraction himself a while ago, right? But
The fraction that fold me, the negative and the positive. Sir, my teacher never teach me how to deal with negative fractions and positive fractions.
well, now you know. Hold on a minute, please. Now you know.
So what is the top number positive and bottom number negative? How the fraction work?
Well, if you divide in two negative numbers, you get a positive number. If you divide two negative numbers, you get a positive number.
Okay. Oh. Goodbye. So,
Oh,
sir. So we have negative 1 over 0. What the answer? 0. Yo, okay, yo. Somebody tell me what the answer, yeah, man. I think
This guy sure look like he not answer nobody at all.
that me have to, sir.
Sir,
Oh, I'm gone.
look at no.
Oh, man, gone. Oh, sorry. Jesus. Oh, man, what's the difference up me, man?
sir. That 5 over 4 looking kinda sus, you know. For number 4, the 5 over 4 looking kinda sus.
Yo, what? How am get that? Wait, if you have,
Yes, sir. How you get that?
where you get that? You have 5 and 6, so you get 5 over 4.
Yes, sir. How you get that 5/4? Explain it to me.
Not
Sir,
12
everything all right? You still
denominator.
tired?
Yo, sir, where you gone?
So
Yo,
them can fix it.
that's the thing, so where man get that from? Yo, please leave me alone, I get them wrong. You know much time the man change the answer, then fucking change the answer again. No, man. Really tricky question, man. Alright, what? Yeah, 5/4, that wrong. So that's a bit 12. 12, 16 to 12, 2 times 2, that's a 8. 8 plus 50. It'll be 15 over 12. Instead of 4/5, 15 over 12.
18/12, Chief. 18/12.
18.
Wait, no, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right.
Just like I say, how you get that?
You're right.
Alright. Yeah, 15 over 12. Yeah, where man going to read man? Oh, man. Sir, if you're talking, we cannot hear you. Your mic is off.
Sir, probably the phone call.
Really, thing. Probably in the phone call for you. Alright, answer the question after me. -1 over 0. What the answer? 0?
Zero.
Alright, 0 is the answer, but I just want to clarify that. Alright, same thing if you have 0 over 1, that's just 0 the answer.
That don't make no sense. You can't divide 0 by anything, so that one they just quits out, that one they gone. That one they get
0
squashed.
the answer.
Yeah.
Who do number 5?
You might do number 5, it seems.
So, we're not number 4?
Now go over number 4 again, cause sir threw me off.
That means that how much time no one time I say answer wrong? Jesus. Every minute you see the change
Now, by
answer.
the way, how you get them answer there? How you get them there?
Look on the number, look on the denominator, like, how me if you know that? 3,000?
Man, take my time, mommy, and go straight. When I reach that for you.
Big number you come.
No man, you can't get them in an exam, because one calculator can't do this. Calculator can't do highest common factor. No, highest common multiple. Oh my god, man. So that's a 3,000? No man. 3,000? No, that wrong. You know, I can't have 3,000. 3,960. I'm gonna ask Google something. Really, think man, we need the kids at the class, cause a long time now the school work still. A day game we play a daytime. Come like the fraction now work out for me though. Alright. So 8, 9, 2, 55 and 12. Oh, yeah, true. Highest common multiple would be, yeah, man, 3,960. Oh, my. These are a little bit of people in our class, man. I can't bother with this big 40 at pick in a one Zoom class. Nope. What's this, man? Continue workout number 5.
Are you all in agreement with number 4, guys?
No, sir.
Sir, look how long we're calling you, sir.
That may
Me
sir.
never hear you.
What? How
What?
far can we
You
have,
get no.
Sir,
You
me
get no.
understand that, please.
I
sir?
don't hear. All right, hold on. One at a time. What you saying, Julie?
Sir, me don't understand.
Okay. What don't you understand, Julie?
Tell me what all of it, sir, from number 4. I don't understand.
Okay, tell me what is the procedure, Julie, for number 4? Starting from here. What are you required to do right there? That is highlighted.
Yeah. So the X, which is the variable, which is 3, so that is what we start, and we're going to start with.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to end with that, and stop us.
Stop up to where?
So we're going to stop up to 7,
Good.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So look at what is happening now. So you just said that we're going to put in 3. So we're starting off with 3. So putting 3 in all
Yeah,
of
the
this.
variable 3.
You
Yeah.
agree? See it here,
Yeah.
so? And when you do
Put it
that, then
down.
you can put 4 into all of it. Then you can put 5 into all of
Divided
it.
by 4.
Huh? And then you can put 6 into all of it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can put 7 into all of it. You see that one?
Until we stop at 7, right?
Very good. Yes. Very good. And then you're just going to evaluate all of this. So this is 3 up here alone. So I put back the 3. And 3 plus 5 is 8. And that's all about the 8 here. 4 is right here. So matter of fact, you so much time me in the class I call you July and answer me. You so it feel when you're coming along to me, can't hear me? Watch here. What is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 equals what? 2. So I'm gonna have 4 over 2 right here. Then in this bracket, I'm gonna have 4 here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that your little brother or so? Ask him to hold on the noise here.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So you can have this 4 here, which is this
Yes,
4.
sir.
Then 4 plus 5, you can have this 9.
Mm-hmm.
Then this 4 is this 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. And then 5, this 5 up here is this 5. And then 5 plus 5 is this 10. This 4 is this 4. And 5 minus 1 is this 4.
So I was just the number them with the pan top, we just times them and number that matter, we add them alone.
Very good. So this 6 is this 6. 6 plus 5 is this 11. That 4 is this 4. And 6 minus 1 is this 5. This 7 is this 7.
Mm-hmm.
And 7 plus 5 is this 12. That 4 is this 4. And 7 minus 1 is this 6. And then I'm going to add now 3 8s plus 4 12s will give me 19 over 8. And this, when I add these two together, will give me 16 over 9. When I add these two together, I get 3 halves. When I add these two together, I get 74 over 55 and not 77 over 55, as Orion told me. And this one here, and I'm going to get this one here. I'm going to add up all of these together. You all have calculators. Just put it in the calculator and add it up. And it gives you the answer. Just put it in the calculator, add it up, and it gives you the answer.
Sir, is that the denominator there, sir? Sir, how you get the denominator there?
Excuse me there, sir.
Sir, where you going, sir?
I am right here.
Sir, so the denominator there, sir. How you get it?
Yeah, it's a denominator. But search up on Google.
8 times 9 times 2 times 65 times 4.
Sir,
Huh?
it's not 4, sir. It's not 4, sir. Sir, it's not 4, sir.
Oh yes, sir. Oh yeah.
It's not 4, sir.
Hold on. What am I talking about?
Four,
It's not me, no. It's not. It's not
Sir.
me, no. It's not me. It's the computer. What is wrong with you? Well, the answer is correct, but maybe this one is not correct. But it's not me, though.
It's not 4, sir.
It's not me. It's the computer. All right, leave me alone. Right? Sure, leave me alone. All right. Good.
Sir, no, say you're tired, sir.
Oh Jesus, I'm me to tell you, Orion. I'm me to tell you. And it is 4. My answer is correct. Go away. Check
It's
it.
not 4, sir. How you get the 4 there, sir?
What's the LCM?
How you get that? Explain.
What's the LCM?
12.
Sir, 12, sir.
All right.
12 is the
And 12
LCM.
into 12. Okay, write it. Write 7 over 12
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
plus 4 over 6 for me.
Yes, sir.
Draw your line, and then the LCM is 12.
12.
Yes, sir.
12 into 12 goes.
One time.
And 1 times 7 is?
7.
Good. And 6 into 12 goes?
8, 2 times.
And 2 times 4?
8.
Over 8, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 7 plus 8?
15.
15 over how much?
12.
And what is 15 over 12?
Sir, 15 over 12.
1 and 3 over 12.
If I clap you, say, boy, you're 1 and 3 over 12 over there, so 15 over 12 is the same thing as what? How many times can 5 go into 3 can go into 15?
Sir, must break it down.
Why not?
Sir, no, sir. No, sir.
No.
Sir, no, sir. Don't do that.
There's no way.
You always work in its lowest term.
Sir, don't do that.
Yes.
I never tell you that, sir.
Long time.
Sir,
Talk
don't
truth.
do that.
Come on, we know this from primary school.
The times but you're not gonna get with them there. 15 over 12.
I mean, 15 over 12. So 15 over 12 is an equivalent fraction to 5/4. So even if you put 15 over 12, it won't change your answer. It's just that you're getting up with a bigger number.
Sir.
Sir, so the bigger number mean go with me.
That means your number supposed to look ugly.
95,040. I'm end up with the same answer.
Like what I have?
Yes, sir.
I'm saying to you, you'll end up with the same answer, no, Papa. You'll end up with the same answer. It's just that when you work in its lowest term, you won't get some big numbers like you would have gotten. But when you cancel on yours, not in the final analysis, you'll end up with the same 8 and 983 over 3960.
Yes, sir.
So you get the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing. All right, let me tell you why I gave it this one. I gave it because it included fractional ones. And I don't want to give you only non-fractional questions and then go into the exam and then give you a fractional question. I know students don't like fractions. And remember, as a boss of CXC paper, the first thing you see is fraction, right? And I know a lot of students don't like the fractional questions. So that's the problem. I have to check this log. Give me half a second, please.
We know why we don't like. Now remember why we don't like the fractional things here. The 5
Okay, guys. So you follow what I'm saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice. All
You
right.
just
So
remind me why we don't like fractions.
yeah, but you find out by what?
You just remind us why we don't like fractions.
Ah, yeah, but you see, let me tell you why I have to do it. Because there are some questions in the additional math that you'll come across when you have some nasty fractions to work with. And when we're talking about things like trigonometry and we talk about things like statistics and you'll get your fractions to work with and you have to work with fractional forms, calculating your probability. So you have to develop the fractional skills from early so you can't get rid of it. So you have to have it. So that's why I put that one as tricky. Matter of fact, I was in the process of writing tricky for number 5 also, and got distracted. So you have to get it. You have to get it. You have to get it. There's no two ways. You cannot work with it. All right. Okay. So now that we have it, please let us. Jilly, you catch it now. You see, you understand where I'm going now, Jilly? See?
Yes, sir. I think
Okay. I was just about to say, see, Jilly, gone for me again. All right. I'm going up to number 5. Let's see if we can get number 5 in one shot. I'm going to post my answer there, and if you get that answer, you say hooray. If not, we have to go work it. All right, do me a favor. Do me a favor. I'm going to change the top limit. I'm going to change this one to a 2. Right? Forgive me, guys. I'm changing it. There's a reason I'm changing it. For ease of calculation. For ease of calculation. So there's a reason I'm changing it. So please, all of you, just make sure that you see the change.
We change the top limit to +2, right, sir?
So no, to positive. Yeah. So x minus 2. Watch moving in the class.
Brave.
Yes, sir.
Are you watch moving in the class?
You be sir, I'm better play something in the background.
Tell him to go take him book.
Yo, Jaden, turn on that now, please.
I'm not going to tell him. Tell him to go take him book.
Yeah, man, say, take a book.
Oh, aha. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on. I don't want this one to be as long as the one before, so I'm going to stop. Press pause. Press pause. I don't want this one to be as long as the one before, and how things looking, it may be a little longer. So I'm going to put something else there so that it comes out. Hold on. What did I do? Did I give it to right? Hold on. X over x minus 1. All right. I don't want it to be as long as the first one. So that's why I'm making some changes. All right. Hold on. Let me just check something here. Don't write here, please. X over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 3 negative 2 to 1. All right. Hold on. All right. So this should work now. All right. And there's a reason why I want this stuff to happen again. All right. So this is it now. Let me just post the answer. That is correct now. Let me just post the answer there so you can see what is happening. Because I want you to.
Sorry, just change the whole equation.
I know. But there's a point I'm trying to bring across. I didn't give you an answer with any fractional form. Sorry, with any negative numbers. And I want you to know that you can get a negative number in it. So that's why I changed it. That will take us up to, let me feel that take us to the end of the class. Go through with that one for me. I'll just put my answer there so at least you know what to do. So that's what I get for my answer. Yes, Maya. Make sure you're working, guys. Make sure you're working. Make sure you're working. Make sure you're working.
Oh my lord.
So far, we reach.
Almost.
Wow, good job. How far are we, guys? Somebody may need to use this room. It's 12 o'clock.
I get the minus word 59.
So you don't get over 60?
Over, yeah, over 60. Yes, I get that part, sir. But that 299, sir. You sure that right, sir?
Yeah, that's fine. That's just the improper fraction to it, you know.
All right.
All right, sir. If you have negative 2 over 2, what the answer?
Negative 2 over 2?
Yes, sir.
Negative 2 over 2 is negative 1.
You got a negative 4 59 over 60, sir.
Right. Somebody may be using this class. It's 5 minutes past. Work on it for me, please. Taj, you can send me the answer in the group. Very good, Orion. And we'll continue next time, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. We can hear you,
Orion?
sir.
Yes, sir. You're not hearing me, sir?
Oh, I hear you now.
Oh,
So
sorry.
we'll continue next class, right?
Yes, sir.
Bless up. Take your charge later.
All right, sir. Bye.